Defining the lambda function in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will discuss how to create a lambda function in Python programming language. So what is the meaning of lambda function in Python? A lambda function is a small anonymous function. This function is very useful. In Python programming language, anonymous function means that a function is without a name. A lambda function can take any number of arguments, but can only have one expression. The expression is executed, and the result is returned in one line. Let me show you how to create a lambda function in Python programming language. Here we have a very simple example for the lambda function. We equated the lambda function to a variable called x. We started this lambda function using the lambda keyword. This is a simple syntax for the lambda function. It has I as an argument, and the expression that will be returned to this function is I plus 10. We assigned all of that to a variable. So if you want to call this lambda function or use it, you should use this variable called x. This is a very easy way. Let's move on to call the lambda function to see this in action. As you can see here, we have called the lambda function using the x variable, and the value of the I argument is equal to 5. So the output in this case should look like this output is equal to 15. This is due to adding 5 to 10. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.